legit. Anything you want.
Reality is brutal to Ripple holders. $5 Ripple, XRP. Dreams are over. The recent couple of weeks have been pretty bleak for the price of our favorite non-security token, Ripple, XRP. With the XRP, USD being stuck in a sideways, slow bleed pattern, the coin did experience a solid drop-off in its XRP, BTC pairing in the same time period. Valued at 9,049 sats in early June, the token currently sits at just above 7,500 sats, with no signs that a halt in this decline is anyway near. The pattern is clearly one of a currency that is consolidating its previous losses, but we could see even more downwards action if the XRP USD pairing goes below the channel support, which is set at $0.4600. For a recovery to happen, the coin needs to break through the $0.4750 resistance, and could recover all the way up to $0.49 if it does. XRP is currently traded at $0.458844, which is a 4.01% drop-off in the last 24 hours. With a market cap of $17.70 billion USD, Ripple, XRP, remains safely tucked in the third spot of the CoinMarketCap's list of most valuable cryptocurrencies, with its closest follower Bitcoin Cash being almost $6 billion USD behind. The news have been encouraging for the cryptocurrency. Besides the ongoing debate if and when will the regulators determine XRP's status as a security, a lot of new projects and developments have been kicking in lately. Ripple's XVIA, XCurrent, XRapid platform supplemented with the XRP token are clearly garnering a strong interest from mainstream vendors and organizations looking for fast, cheap and secure cross-border transactions. Kuwait Finance House, a bank from Kuwait, Instarem, Asian cross-border payment provider, and B-Tech, a tech startup from Sao Paulo, have all confirmed their intentions to use Ripple technology and XRP tokens to perform their daily payment activities. One of Ripple's most often touted earlier partnerships is also starting to bear fruits. Back in late December, Ripple signed a partnership agreement with American Express which saw the platform expand its potential for widespread commercial adoption. Colin O'Flaherty, American Express's VP and General Manager of Global Commercial Services UK and Russia, recently commented on their cooperation with Ripple during the final day of the Money 2020 Europe event. O'Flaherty claimed that SMEs, small and medium enterprises, need to be able to quickly and safely move small amounts of money. According to him, 71% of SMEs find cross-border payments problematic and difficult to perform. He offers them a solution in the form of real-world institutions-backed Ripple. Ripple offers instantaneous, point-to-point conversations between the sender and receiver of funds. And that provides a real opportunity to alleviate most of the issues our customers are facing. In other news, the CEO of the Japanese financial behemoth SBI Holdings revealed his belief that cryptocurrency will be responsible for the next economic boom in Japan. Speaking during a Japanese blockchain conference in Tokyo, Yoshitaka Kitao was very optimistic in his address. "We want to take blockchain beyond financial. There's a lot of speculative demand around cryptocurrencies, which is why the price is going up so quickly, but people need to think about how these technologies are being used in real life and how they can improve people's businesses." You may wonder, how does this relate to Ripple? Well, SBI and Ripple have signed a partnership earlier on, one in line of many for the cryptocurrency. The two companies jointly own and operate SBI Ripple Asia, which is designed to explore how Ripple's blockchain can help facilitate cross-border transfers between banks. SBI plans to operate an exchange named VKTrade, and the platform will initially focus on trading the XRP tokens, with Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash to be added later. Having a single exchange, one run by a financial giant like SBI, focused on your token only is a good thing for Ripple. Besides VKTrade, platforms like Revolut and Uphold have announced their intentions to make XRP a part of their portfolios. Ultimately, Ripple, XRP9 is looking solid from the FA standpoint. From a recent appearance on Ellen, when Ashton Kutcher donated $4 million worth of XRP to Ellen's wildlife fund in Rwanda, to the recent Triple initiative to invest $50 million into universities across the world, steps are being made to ensure that commercial adoption of the token comes sooner rather than later. For now, the only issue remains the looming is Ripple a security or not debate. Once this is cleared up and once the entire market starts moving, XRP might be looking into some serious gains. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Bitcoin Cash, EOS, Litecoin, Cardano, Stellar, IOTA. Price analysis: June 20th. Bitcoin's rolling 30-day annualized volatility has declined to about 61% from the highs of over 150% in 2017. The Blue Line Futures president believes that this is a sign that selling has exhausted, and cryptocurrencies are in a bottoming process. We have also held a similar view for the past few days and have therefore been advising the long-term investors to build their portfolio on sharp dips. Earlier this month, the hacking of the South Korean exchange CoinRail allegedly led to a sharp fall in the cryptocurrency prices. On June 20th, Bithumb, the sixth largest crypto exchange by trade volume, reported that it had been hacked and with more than $30 million worth of digital currencies stolen. Though this led to a knee-jerk reaction, the damage has been limited, which shows that the selling intensity has reduced. So, should the traders start buying? Let's see. BTC, USD. Bitcoin is trying to pull back from the lows. It has major resistance at the downtrend line. The 20-day EMA is also located just above this line at $7,011. If prices turn down from the overhead resistance, a retest of the June 13th lows at $6,277.23 is probable. If the bulls manage to break out of the 20-day EMA, the BTC, USD pair should rally to $7,700 levels. The 20-day EMA is flattening out, which shows that the selling pressure is waning. Though the initial risk-to-reward ratio is not attractive, we recommended a long position in our previous analysis because we believe that Bitcoin will be range-bound and from the current levels, the rally can extend to $8,500 and then to $10,000 on the upside. The traders can go long if prices sustain above $7,050 levels for 4 hours. The SL can be kept at $6,000. As the initial risk-to-reward ratio is not attractive, please use only 40% of the usual position size. ETH/USD Ethereum is showing short-term outperformance as it has continued to move up in the past couple of days. It has broken out of the resistance line of the descending channel and is on the verge of breaking out of the final resistance at the 20-day EMA. Once the bulls break out and close above the 20-day EMA at $545, the ETH/USD pair should rally to the overhead resistance at $628.99. If the bulls succeed in breaking out of this level, a rally to $700 will be on the cards. Hence, the traders can initiate long positions once the digital currency sustains above $550 levels for 4 hours. The stop loss can be placed below the $470 levels. As the sentiment is still negative, please keep the position size small. XRP, USD. Ripple couldn't break out of the overhead resistance at $0.56270 on June 19th. Lack of buying support even at these low levels is a bearish sign. If the bulls don't scale above the overhead resistance within a couple of days, the bears will attempt to break down of the $0.45351 levels. If successful, the XRP, USD pair can sink to 24 cents, which is the next major support. Such a fall will dent sentiment, and it will take a long time for the digital currency to recover higher. We shall wait for a buy setup to form before suggesting any trade on it. BCH, USD Bitcoin Cash is facing resistance at the downtrend line. If prices turn down from here and break below the $817.8709 levels, the fall can extend to the next support zone at $777.5304 $736.0137. Above the downtrend line, the bulls might hit a roadblock at the 20-day EMA or just above it. However, once the BCH/USD pair sustains above the $1,000 mark, chances of a rally to $1,200 increase. Hence, we retain our buy recommendation provided in our previous analysis. Please keep the allocation size 40% of the average 1. EOS. USD EOS has been trading close to the $10.3384 levels for the past few days. Attempts to break out or break down of this level have failed. The EOS USD pair will turn bearish if it breaks below the $9.0887 levels, which can lead to a fall to $8. On the upside, any attempts to rally will face resistance at the 20-day EMA, the downtrend line, and the 50-day SMA. Therefore, we shall wait for a new buy setup to form before proposing a trade on it. LTC USD Litecoin has not seen a follow-up selling after the breakdown from the bearish descending triangle pattern. Currently, the price is stuck inside a small range of $102.974 on the upside and $90.994 on the downside. The RSI is showing first signs of positive divergence. We shall turn bullish if the ADA/USD pair breaks out and sustains above the 20-day EMA for a couple of days. On the downside, 13 cents is major support, which should attract buying. Any break of this will invalidate our assumption of a range and can lead to a fall to $0.078215. XLM USD Stellar has been trading inside a tight range of $0.2152946 on the downside and $0.245880302 on the upside for the past 6 days. A breakdown from this range will push prices towards the critical support at $0.184. On the upside, the XLM USD pair has a slew of resistances close to the 25 cents mark. If the bulls succeed in scaling above this level, a rally to 31 cents is probable. The traders can buy on a breakout and close, UTC, above the 20-day EMA with the stops below the 21 cents levels. This is a risky trade, hence, please keep the allocation size 40% of usual. IOTA USD IOTA is struggling to move up. The recovery attempt on June 19 could not even reach the overhead resistance at $1.33. The IOTA USD pair will slide to the major support at $0.9150 if it breaks below the June 18 low of $1.0795. We anticipate buying to emerge close to the $0.9150 levels as this level has not been broken since November 27 of last year. We should wait for a bounce from the lows to sustain before suggesting any long positions because a break of $0.9150 can sink the digital currency to $0.666.